Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use OpenAI for language practice, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start using OpenAI for language practice, visit the OpenAI website. Create an account if you don't have one. Once you have your account, log in. Navigate to the language model section. Choose the specific model you want to work with, such as GPT-3 or GPT-4. Familiarize yourself with the interface. Locate the input field where you can type your prompts. Think about the language skills you want to practice. Write a prompt that is clear and specific. For example, you can ask for a conversation in the language you are learning. Submit your prompt and wait for the response. Read the response carefully and analyze it. If you need clarification, feel free to ask follow-up questions. Practice conversing by simulating dialogues. You can also request translations or explanations of specific phrases. Make use of the model's ability to provide synonyms or alternative phrases. Challenge yourself by asking for increasingly complex conversations. Take notes on new vocabulary and grammar structures you encounter. Utilize the feedback feature if available. Engage in role-playing scenarios to boost your confidence. Set specific practice goals for each session. Don't hesitate to experiment with different topics to keep practice engaging. Review your progress regularly to identify areas for improvement. Incorporate using OpenAI into your regular study routine. Keep experimenting with different languages and styles. Make it a fun and interactive learning experience. With consistent practice, you will see improvement in your language skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.